Hello student, welcome back to my channel Fair of Maths Atayil Maza. In this video we are going to see differentiation, that is formula revision of differentiation. So very first we see the first formula, that is derivative of constant is always equals to 0. For example, take any constant number, say 5, then its derivative equals to 0. And remember student, the derivative of any constant, it means any number, non-zero number, its derivative equals to 0. Now very important formula, derivative of any constant number equals to 0. Now second formula is x to the power n, that is power function. The derivative of power function is always n into x to the power n minus 1. Now here we have some example to understand the power function. So very first x square. Now in x square, here the value of n, small n, is 2. So we write 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2 into x to the power 1. So simply we write 2x. So remember student, derivative of x square is always 2x. Now in second example, suppose we have to given x to the power 10. Now in x to the power 10, if we apply the power function, so we get 10 into x to the power 10 minus 1, that is 9. So derivative of x to the power 10 is always 10x to the power 9, etc. Now next, very important function, that is square root function. So derivative of root x is always 1 upon 2 root x. Remember this student, it is very useful formula. Derivative of root x is always 1 upon 2 root x. Now next, trigonometric functions. If we are talking about the trigonometric function, so there are 6 trigonometrical ratios, and here we have to define the derivatives of trigonometric functions. So very first, derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is always cos x. Remember this, derivative of sin x is cos x. Now the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now next, derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. So these are the derivatives of trigonometric functions. I repeat again, derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Now next function is exponential function. For exponential function, a to the power x is always a to the power x into log a, where a is greater than 1. Now in this formula there is some condition, that is a is greater than 1. So derivative of a to the power x is always a to the power x into log a. So to understand this function, we take very simple example. Suppose we have to given 2 raised to the power x. So 2 raised to the power x equals to 2 raised to the power x into log 2, etc. Then next, exponential function. This function is my favorite function. Why? Since the derivative of e to the power x is equals to e to the power x. Therefore, function itself, therefore, it is very easy to learn or understand that exponential function, that is e to the power x, is always e to the power x. Now next, derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is always 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now next, the rules of differentiation. What are the rules of differentiation? So number one, addition rule. Suppose we have to given y equals to u plus v, that is addition of two functions. Addition of two or more functions So in this case, we differentiate y equals to u plus v. So we get dy by dx equals to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. This rule is called addition rule. Now second one is difference rule. So here we have to given y equals to u minus v. Difference of two function or more than two functions. So in this case, we take dy by dx equals to du upon dx minus dv upon dx. Number 3, which is very important rule, that is product rule. Remember this student, product rule, I call it PR, that is product rule. In product rule, we have to given product of two or three function. So in our syllabus, just we have to given the product of two function. So the product rule say if we differentiate product of two function, so it will become dy by dx equals to, we expand like this, first function that is u into derivative of second function that is v. So we write u into dv upon dx plus second function that is v into derivative of first du upon dx. Now next, very useful, that is quotient or division rule, in which we have to given y equals to u upon v. So derivative of y is always the denominator into derivative of numerator, that is v into du upon dx minus numerator into derivative of denominator, that is u into dv upon dx whole upon denominator square. So these are the basic rules of differentiation. आई होप बच्चों आपको सारे फॉर्मूले समझ में आए हो। अगर आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो और फॉर्मूले आपको समझ आए हो, आपको इजी लगा हो लर्न करने के लिए, ज़रूर से बेटा इस चैनल को लाइक करें और साथ ही साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो, टिल देन बाय।